What's up, YouTube? This is Aaron, Family Value Hardwood Services, Family Value Cleaning Services. As you can see here, I'm out on another hardwood job. Some beautiful hardwood floors. They just need some maintenance done to them. So I'm doing a screen and recoat today. Didn't want to do a full sand. They're moving into this home. There is some color correction that I'm gonna have to do here in this hallway and in some of the bedrooms. A couple of issues. I think they have some rugs down, things like that. Try and correct those. See back over here. Looks like they actually tried to sand this floor. There's some little divot marks, chatter marks is what they call them. It looks like that they tried to sand the floor, the previous owner. So in here, looks like I gotta do some color correction as well. But I think it's gonna be a great turnout. Please hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. We're up to 560 subscribers. So I'll go ahead and get started on this job. We'll show you the before and after. Have a good one.